Hi friends, welcome to Paru's Healthy Kitchen. Today I am making a very simple dish. It's a healthy one also, using curry leaves. So it is called as curry leaves or kadhi patta rice. Let me talk about the curry leaves. Curry leaves, we all use it at home in our kitchen almost daily because it gives flavor to the food and also color also it gives. Apart from these two qualities, it has some more very good healthy qualities, nutrients, like it has got lot of minerals, vitamins and essential oils also. And it is very good for diabetic patients. It helps them to maintain their sugar level, and also for heart patients, and also it gives immunity. So because it has got the essential oils, it helps the skin to remain healthy and glow, and also the hair also to grow very well. To make this curry leaf or kadhi patta rice, what we need, curry leaves which has been washed and dried, about 2 cups of this measure, and about 2 measures of cooked rice, and I have taken about 2 tablespoon of udid dal and 2 tablespoon of chana dal, and about 4 red chilies cut in 2 pieces, and 1 piece of hing also. But here this red chilies, according to your spice level, you can increase or decrease. And it needs, there is 1 tablespoon of til and about 2 tablespoon of grated dry coconut. So these are the items you need to make powder. So once the powder is made, it can be stored. So what you need is only 1 tablespoon of this powder to make this much of rice. So let me start making this powder. Now the gas is ready. I'll just put the hing first. I have taken about 2 tablespoon oil, and I have put the hing, and now the red chilies also will be added. Now I'll add these 2 dals, chana dal and udid dal. Let it slightly become light brown. I'll now add til and the dry coconut, grated coconut also. And I'll have to add these curry leaves. This will have to be sauteed well because we'll have to powder it. So now I'll add about 2 measures of curry leaves. So I have sauteed all this. Now we must allow it to cool before I powder it. So now it is ready, it had cooled. Now let me powder this in the mixie. Let me powder this. The powder is ready. You can see it is not very soft. I have made it coarse. So, and I have not added salt in this powder because I am going to store it in the fridge. So whenever you prepare, that time you can add salt according to the amount of rice you are taking. So now the oil, I have taken about 1 tablespoon oil. It's getting heated. Yeah, it's done. Now about 1/4 teaspoon mustard, I'll wait for it to splatter and I'll add hing. It has started splintering. I'm adding hing. Hing we have already added in the dry powder, but still some more because it goes well with the rice. Now quarter teaspoon haldi to it, and I have taken about 2 tablespoons this roasted groundnuts. This also I am adding to this. Now it's about 1 tablespoon this powder I am adding, and 1 teaspoon salt. Now we'll add the rice also. Yeah, I mixed it well. You can see the green colored curry leaves rice ready. Now this is the rice ready, and it is very tasty and healthy also. Enjoy this. Thank you.